In this video, we are going to fix the error code 0x80072EE2 Windows Update error in your Windows 11. Now, without any further ado, let's dive then quickly to the process. So the first thing that you can do is that you need to run the troubleshooter for the Windows update. How we can do that? You need to navigate at the start, then make a right click, scroll up and click on settings. You can also press the Windows key and I key together on your keyboard. In that way, you'd be able to bring up the settings. At the left pane of the settings, you'll see a list here. All you need to do is you need to click on System. It is next to Home in my case. Just click on that and then wait until you'd be able to open it. So under the system, you need to scroll down and find for the troubleshoot. So please click on troubleshoot here. And afterwards, you'll see these three options. Please locate for other troubleshooters. And from that, you'll see this Windows Update. So just have to run for Windows Update run the troubleshoot for Windows Update. Wait until the procedure would be finished. And once it is being done, just have to check if the problem has been fixed. However, if not, then we need to proceed to the second solution. The second solution would be we need to restart the background intelligence service. So how we can do so, you need to close this window and then proceed to your keyboard, press Windows key and R key together. In that way, you'd be able to bring up a small window called run. So here you need to run a command which is the services.msc. So just have to type it services.msc and then click on the enter key or the OK button. And in a few moments, you'll be able to open the services window. So here at the services window, you need to find for the background intelligent, this one. And then you need to make a right click. And from that, you need to go with properties. And then here at the startup type, click on this down arrow key, set it into automatic and start the service. So please wait until this process would be finished. Once done, you need to click on apply and then click on OK. So you need to navigate to the left side. You can see the restart the service. Click on it. And once you have restarted the background intelligence transfer service, you need to check if the problem has been fixed. However, if not, then you need to proceed to the last solution, and that is you need to disable the antivirus software program. So if you have something like antivirus software program which is running in your computer, so please disable that for the meantime. Once you have disabled that, run the Windows update, and then once you are done with the running for Windows update, you can now enable that. Okay, so check if the problem has been fixed. Now, if you think this video had helped you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching and have a good day, everyone.